How to buy crypto with PayPal on crypto.com. Well, the very first thing that you have to do is you have to decide whether you'll be using your laptop or PC by using their official site on a web or through their mobile app on your phone. Now, once you have chosen your designated option, then you will have to log into your account and make sure that you have synced or binded over your PayPal account, and make sure before doing that that your PayPal account is fully verified. So once you have logged in, this is gonna be your interface. So once you already connected your PayPal account to crypto.com, you will just have to just click or hit on this buy icon right here and choose on your desired Bitcoin if it's going to be a Bitcoin, an Ethereum, or any kind of crypto coin. Now in there, your PayPal should be able to be visible if you have fully connected it without any problems. And that's it. That's how you buy crypto with PayPal on crypto.com.